How do you design a rib for plastic products? When designing a rib for a plastic product, there are several key factors to consider to create a strong, durable, and effective design. By following a set of plastic injection molding design principles and guidelines, manufacturers can create ribs that are effective at enhancing the strength and performance of their plastic products. What is a rib for plastic products? A rib height is a protrusion that extends from the surface of injection molded plastic parts and is typically used to provide additional strength and rigidity to a specific area of the injection molded parts. What is the function of ribs? Ribs are used in plastic design to provide additional support and reinforcement to the body of a part, allowing it to withstand higher stresses and loads without failing or deforming. What are the types of ribs? 1. There are two structural types of ribs. One is long grid ribs and the other is circular grid ribs, as picture 1 and picture 2 are shown below. 2. Reinforcing ribs are designed at the corners of the cabinet, as shown in picture 3, and reinforcing ribs are set on the side walls, as shown in picture 4. 3. The column is designed with stiffeners, as picture 5 shown. What is a rib design principle? 1. The thickness, uniform wall thickness of the reinforcing rib thickness should be smaller than the nominal wall thickness of the reinforced product to prevent depressions at the joints. The thickness of the ribs is between 0.4 times and 0.5 times the thickness of the plastic material thickness, generally 0.5 times. The height of the ribs should not be too high. Otherwise, the ribs will be damaged by force and reduce their rigidity. Figure 3 shows the relationship between the dimensions of the ribs. To increase the rigidity of the product, the number of ribs should be increased without increasing their height. The slope of the rib can be larger, generally greater than 1.5 angle, to avoid top damage and facilitate demolding. The location arrangement multiple reinforcing ribs should be properly distributed and arranged staggered from each other to reduce uneven shrinkage. Overall, the design of thick ribs for a plastic product is a complex and critical process, requiring careful consideration of the wide range of factors. By following a set of injection molding design principles and guidelines, manufacturers can create ribs that are effective at enhancing the strength and performance of their plastic products, and that can withstand the stresses and loads they will encounter in use.